Welcome to another lesson of Adobe Photoshop. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how we can make a t-shirt design prompt by using Chat GPT, and then also we are going to learn about how we can get the prompt by using Midjourney. So we're going to learn about what Midjourney is and also what Chat GPT is. So let's start off by knowing what Midjourney is. Midjourney is a generative artificial intelligence program and service created and hosted by a San Francisco-based independent research lab, Midjourney Inc. Midjourney generates images from natural language descriptions called prompts, similar to OpenAI's DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. So how does this actually work in Midjourney? Okay, so Midjourney is an independent research lab, just as I told you, that has been making waves in the world of artificial intelligence with its eponymous AI program. The program is designed to create images from textual description, much like OpenAI's DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. And ChatGPT is also an AI which is going to help you through the process. So, first off, we're going to learn about how we are going to make the prompt in ChatGPT. Okay, there are a couple of methods of how you'll be able to do it, but I'm also going to show you the most effective and obviously one of the most used method to use to make a ChatGPT, or let's say a Midjourney prompt, by using ChatGPT. Okay, so we are going to start off with some comments. Okay, so what we're gonna do is going to be typing in new chat. Let's say a new chat has been created. Now I'm gonna type in here is a Midjourney prompt formula. Put this. Now don't hit on enter. If you hit on enter, it will be, selected. What I'm gonna do is hold on to shift, and then you'll be able to break a line or skip a line. Okay, then just as I told you that Midjourney makes prompts or generates images according to the textual description. Okay, so you have to type in a couple of description, what type of images you want, what type of designs you want. That's like totally up to you how you're gonna work with it. Okay, so make sure when you are like skipping a line, just like you do on Word, just hitting on enter, do not do that on ChatGPT, because that does not work here. What you have to do is hold on to shift and then do it. Now I'm going to do is type in, let's say, image we're prompting. Image we're prompting. Okay, image we are prompting are comma, let's say we want whatever type of details or whichever type of photos you want. You can say you want a dog, you want a cat, you want the description. That's like totally up to you. Okay, let's say I'm gonna say is style of artwork, but you have to put it in a bracket. Okay, keep that in mind, put in a space. I'm gonna do is style of the artwork. Do the same thing, close the bracket, comma, hit space, move it off the artwork, close the bracket, comma again, lighting style to the artwork. Okay, that is all going to be applied to the photo. Style to the artwork. Okay, now put the same thing which we did right now, then put in the bracket, and after you're done giving the textual details, then what you're gonna do is put in, let's say more spaces. Let's say put 2 spaces in between them. Now let's say each prompt must end with t-shirt design, graphics, vector, contour, PSD. That's like totally up to you. So I'm gonna do is each prompt must always end with, now put in double quotation, keep that in mind, it is must always end with t-shirt design graphics. Okay, t-shirt design, graphic, vector, and then contour. Okay, vector, contour. Let's say you can add in more to, let's say, white background or black background. Black background. Then what we're gonna do is type in double quotation again. Let's say don't reference any of the original formula. So what I'm gonna do is put in space. Don't reference any of the original formula. Now I'm gonna do is type in the quotation over here, okay, which is going to be useful. Don't reference. Make sure to be, let's say word specific or like very sensitive, case sensitive, okay. Now let's say I'm gonna type in that, and I'm gonna do is type in a bit more. Let's say don't reference any of the original formula in the resulting prompt. Formula in the resulting prompt. Okay, what I'm gonna do is put in more spaces. Let's say please respond with yes. Okay, if ChatGPT understands what the formula is, then it's going to give you a result. But if it does not, then it's not going to give you a result. You have to understand about it. Okay, what I'm gonna do is type in please respond. Let's say double quotation. I do. Double quotation again. If you understand this formula. Okay. Now as we're done, now you can see here is a Midjourney prompt formula. Image, we're prompting our styles to the artwork, mood of the artwork, lighting styles to the artwork. Each prompt must always end with t-shirt design, graphic, vector, contour, black background. Don't reference any of the original formula in the resulting prompt. Please respond I do if you understand this formula. What I'm going to do is hit on enter. You can see this is generating. Then you can see that ChatGPT does understand the formula. Okay, so what we're going to do is type in the next content or next. Okay, so I'm going to do is, let's say, write 3 Midjourney prompts. Okay, I'm going to do is write, let's say 4 or 5 Midjourney TS prompts for let's say a cat holding, let's say, a fish or whatever you expect. Let's say I'm gonna do is hit on enter, which is going to be this one prompt. Just hit on enter, and you can see the prompt has been created. Now it will give me 5 of the prompts which I can actually use on my Midjourney bot. So what is Midjourney bot? Just as I told you, it's going to be a Discord bot which we use most often. So first I'm going to go on Discord, and you can see this is a new account, but I'm going to help you how you'll be able to add in the bot of Midjourney. First off, what we're going to do is click on this plus icon to add in a server, then click on join a server. Okay, if you do not know how to add in the bot, you can add in a couple of bots or all of the bots just using the same steps. First I'm going to do is type in Midjourney, hit on join server. Now you will see it will directly join you in the server, which you can see from over here. Next, what you want to do is go over the newbies 40, okay, so that you can add in the bot to your server too. If you want to do that, what you're going to do is open up this text or maybe the active or member list. Then you will find out the bot of Midjourney bot 1. Right click on it or left click on it and click on add to server. And I'm going to do is select the server, which is going to be Adobe, which I already have over here. Click on continue. I'm going to do is authorize, and you have to authorize that. Then you have to like use this captcha or like do all of this together. And let's say I'm going to click on this verify and see if it works, and you will see that it is authorized. Okay, you just have to follow these steps, and this is like quite easy to do. And you can see Midjourney bot has appeared over here. Now the next thing what you're gonna do is use the prompts in Midjourney. Well, using the prompts in Midjourney is like very simple. Okay, you just have to use a formula, or you have to use a command. The command is slash. Okay, let's say slash imagine, which is going to be the prompt of, let's say, Midjourney. You can click on it, and then what you're gonna do is go over to Chat GPT. What I'm gonna do is copy this whole thing. Let's say I'm gonna use the first one, Control C. I'm gonna do is paste it over here, Control V, hit on enter, and then you can see that it is giving us this except TOS. You can see it is, you know, like joined, and it is giving me some of this. Okay, because Midjourney is not free right now, but you can like open up a plan, open subscription page. Okay, then you can like join in their server too. Then we can also try it over here, which you can see. We're gonna go over to the server. Let's say I'm gonna go over to newbie 40, and you can type in your message. Let's say I'm gonna do slash imagine, hit on enter, press on V, hit on enter. It's gonna give you the same subscription required. Okay, but if you do have your subscription on, then you are going to get, you know, results like this, and you can use it for various purposes. You can download them, and obviously all of these images are generated from the textual description one person offers or one person gives on Chat GPT. Or let's say the way I put it, let's say I said this is the formula, and I told the prompt is about a cat holding a fish. So obviously if you have the subscription and it generates the photo, then you will see I will get all of the results and all of the photos according to Chat GPT, and also according to the description just that I told you. Okay, so hope you understood everything about this lesson on how you'll be able to make t-shirt prompts. And you can see in the server we have a lot of people who are using this Chat GPT and also this Midjourney to make their prompt or make their designs. Okay, you can also like copy or download these photos or generated photos over to Photoshop and also Adobe AI, which is Adobe Illustrator. You can use there too to make, let's say, t-shirt design, t-shirt vector, you know, PSD, and all of those all together. So thank you for watching this video. If you didn't understand a part, please let us know and we will guide you through the process. And I hope you understood everything. And that is the end of this lesson.